Wheel spacers are a kind of wheel upgrade accessories that has now become a common practice among many car modification lovers. If the offset is not ideal, a set of wheel spacers can fix the wrong offset. They can also improve the stability, handling, and overall appearance of the car. The first difference is that the stance of the car will be wider. After fitting wheel spacers, you can move the wheels further away from the suspension. This increases the track width. As the track width increases, the vehicle's performance tends to become more stable, and handling usually improves as well. The lateral grip of the tires is also improved. With these wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake caliper. This can be especially useful if you plan to fit larger brakes or wheels on your car. The additional clearance provided by the spacers can prevent the brakes from rubbing against the wheels. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers of the appropriate thickness. This improves the overall rider experience. Heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked by anyone seriously about the performance potential of their car. Bonus FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously inert the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. In addition, bonus wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage half-century rings. The half-century middle ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bells fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. They are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contain the other part, you need tight tolerant ones. Also, bonus Forge FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.